How to use Substack. Now, using Substack is actually quite simple, but the very first thing that you want to do is to open up your Google Play Store so that you can download the Substack application. And then once you've already downloaded it, make sure that you're using the latest version of Substack so you will not miss any updates or any ongoings on the Substack app. Now, once you open the application, you will be asked to create or to log in using your Google account. Choose either of those options. Now, Substack is actually an online publishing platform for creators to publish newsletters, articles, podcasts, and videos that their audience can subscribe to for free or as a paid service. So, at the top left portion of your screen, you should be able to choose between for you or following for those specific users that you would like to follow. Now, below is your homepage, your subscriptions page, where you could actually check all the paid subscriptions, the one that you save, the media, the recent history, and the downloads that you have from those certain posts. Now, in the center page is your magnifying glass where you can search for videos, posts, or any articles that you would like to uh, read or view. Next is your private chat messages. And then the last option, the bell icon, is actually the activities that you've done on this application. Now, the top right hand portion of your screen, you should be able to see your profile picture. You can tap on that. And this is where you can also add friends, archive any posts or informations on this app, and your settings. And that's pretty much it. That is how you use Substack.